Imagine banking an impressive $11,244.42 in under 30 days. Sounds unbelievable? Well, it's not, because that's exactly what a skeptic did, using our self-driving income machine. And now, it's your turn. This is not just a promise, it's a reality for many who've harnessed the power of this innovative system. Intrigued? Stick around as I share my top 3 tips to have fresh leads and hundreds of dollars pouring in on autopilot. Ready to dive in? Let's start with tip number 1. First, focus on building a diverse investment portfolio. This could include stocks, bonds, or real estate. The key is to find investments that generate passive income, meaning they earn money even when you're not actively working on them. Moving on to tip number 2, leverage automation. Use technology to automate tasks and processes. This could be as simple as setting up automatic payments for your bills or as complex as using AI to manage your investments. Automation helps you save time and effort, allowing you to focus on other income-generating activities. Finally, tip number 3, create multiple streams of income. Don't rely on just one source. You could start a side business, monetize a hobby, or even rent out a room in your home. The more income streams you have, the more stable your financial situation will be. With these 3 tips, you're well on your way to making autopilot income a reality. Now that you've got the tips, it's time to put them into action. Harness the power of the self-driving income machine, and you too can be like the skeptic who banked over $11,000 in under 30 days. The opportunity is ripe, and the time to act is now. Imagine hundreds of fresh leads and hundreds of dollars pouring in daily on autopilot. Enjoyed learning about autopilot income? If so, please share. And if you want my #1 way to benefit without pain, click the link below.